Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC B1039 refers to an issue with the immobilizer system found in the 2023 Honda Accord. Specifically, this code indicates that there's a mismatch in the Immobilizer ID signals communicated through the FCAN, which stands for the Flex Controller Area Network. The FlexCAN is crucial for certain electronic functions of the vehicle, enabling communication between different modules. When the body control module, BCM, detects this mismatch, it interprets it as an abnormality and subsequently stores the error code. This can prevent the vehicle from starting as a security measure to ensure the engine isn't being started by an unauthorized key or device. Drivers should ensure to address this issue promptly to avoid functionality problems, particularly with vehicle starting and security protocols. The error B1039 is associated specifically with the body control module, commonly referred to as the BCM. This component is located near the dashboard area of the Honda Accord and serves as a critical unit that manages various electrical systems in the vehicle. The BCM communicates with the immobilizer to verify if the key being used is authorized to start the engine. If it detects a mismatch in the immobilizer ID signals transmitted through the FCAN, it will flag this error as DTC B1039. This situation essentially means that the BCM senses an abnormal state, which can impede normal engine operation. It's important to understand that the BCM plays a significant role in the vehicle's overall electronics and security features. Several factors could lead to the triggering of DTC B1039. Firstly, a faulty body control module could be the root cause. If the BCM fails to properly authenticate the key, it will result in an unmatched error. Secondly, using an invalid or non-programmed key can also lead to this issue, as the BCM would simply not recognize the key, thus storing an ID mismatch error. Additionally, wiring issues can contribute to an improper signal transmission between the BCM and the immobilizer system. These wiring problems could stem from frayed wires, poor connections, or other mechanical faults. Awareness of these causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting and repair. Several symptoms may indicate the presence of DTC B1039 in your Honda Accord. The most prominent sign is that the engine will not start, as the BCM will block the ignition if it detects an unrecognized key. Drivers may also experience issues with the key not being recognized at all, leading to frustration during starting attempts. Furthermore, the security system can be inadvertently activated in response to the error, possibly triggering alerts or preventing electronic functions from engaging properly. Recognizing these symptoms can help owners understand the potential impact of the DTC and act swiftly to rectify the problem. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1039 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. It's vital to engage the ignition without starting the engine, as this will activate various electrical systems. During this phase, take note of the dashboard indicators. Any abnormal warning lights can provide further clues about the vehicle's electronic status. Additionally, monitor for any security signals that could indicate issues in the immobilizer system. This setup phase is crucial for capturing initial troubleshooting data that may help diagnose underlying problems effectively. Be observant at this stage, as it may lead to quick identification of the issue. Once the necessary repairs have been performed on the Honda Accord, the final repair verification process is essential to confirm that DTC B1039 has been resolved. Begin by using a diagnostic tool to clear the stored DTC from the body control module. Following this, conduct a test drive of the vehicle to ascertain that everything is operating normally, specifically focusing on the functionality of the immobilizer system. You should confirm that the engine starts without issues and no related warning lights appear on the dashboard. It's advisable to monitor performance closely, ensuring that the steps taken have successfully resolved the initial problem and that the vehicle operates as intended. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in forestalling future incidents related to DTC B1039 in the Honda Accord. One key aspect is to regularly check the condition of the keys used with the vehicle, ensuring they are in good working order and programmed correctly to avoid recognition issues. Additionally, routinely inspecting the connections at the body control module can help prevent wiring issues that could emerge over time. Ensuring strong and reliable connections. Updating the vehicle's software when available will also help maintain the integrity of the BCM and the overall electronic systems. Incorporating these preventive measures can significantly enhance the reliability of your vehicle's security systems. In conclusion, troubleshooting DTC B1039 for the Honda Accord involves structured steps that begin with correctly identifying the issue associated with an Immobilizer ID mismatch. By following the troubleshooting sequence, technicians can discover the root causes, whether they stem from the body control module, invalid keys, or wiring issues. Understanding the symptoms, performing thorough diagnostics, and implementing preventive maintenance strategies can significantly reduce the risk of this problem manifesting in the future. It's critical for vehicle owners to remain proactive concerning their car's security features, ensuring a smooth driving experience without interruptions caused by electronic malfunctions. Always consult the manufacturer's recommendations for best practices. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.